Joseph wanted to see something.
Cut! Can I help you?
Wait.
Yeah, I got flowers for Tori Vega.
Me? Oh. I wonder who would have sent me flowers. Oh, Tori, this is bush daisy. I am way allergic to bush daisies. Like, if I get anywhere near them, my whole face starts swelling up and I start sweating and shaking.
Well, who would have sent you bush daisies?
I don't know.
Did you see
Oh,
it?
maybe I do. How did you know I was allergic to bush daisies?
I do my research.
You looked up my medical records?
I'll answer that right. You stick your face in those bush daisies.
Listen to me. I'm doing this play. I auditioned